take this. It's like a spring. This is kind of problematic. Oh. It's kind of concerning. I'll probably clean up with a wire wheel. Okay. Does this thing at least click into here? Hopefully this piece of trash works. Hold it in there somehow. I mean, maybe that's good enough. Maybe that's good enough. One more time. With a different method. If this lights up, then I have a different problem, which is not going to be good. Alright. Okay. So pin 1 and 15 has the pin numbers on top. I could show you. Let's see. So pin 1 is ground and pin 15 is power. So I'm gonna crank it and see if it's getting constant 12 volts. Turn this on. Let's put this in the pin 15. Okay. It should be DC. So direct current. Then we're gonna do function. So let's do max. Okay, so to check if the coil is getting power. If it's not, it's either going to be your crank resistance sensor or your DME, is what I saw in the Bentley manual. So 15 is your positive and 1 is your negative. And with the ignition on, it's getting power. That's where the ECU lives. All right, so take your 4 Phillips heads. Blast these out real quick. Just be very careful. All right, so make sure you your batteries are unplugged completely before you even think about taking this off. So we got some differences here. This is made in Germany. This is made in Spain. 413 338. So you know what? I'm just gonna hope that this is not too different. I don't know why this is silver and then this is yellow. I mean, the only ones I saw is silver and red. And silver and red just distinguishes between like different years and like different EWS systems. Okay, so the ECU, the DME, sorry, it's not looking too healthy. So most of the corrosion is underneath the board. I'm gonna try and save it because I do want to keep the EWS system to have like the extra security, but if not, that's fine. So I'm going to take it apart and use some electrical cleaner to clean the bottom of it and then dry it. Modern problems require modern solutions. Okay, so let's put it back in. Okay, try not to bend it too much now. Okay. Put the battery back in, and if it starts, you'll see a video of it. If it doesn't, then I tried my best. Maybe it'll work for you. Yeah, no. Yeah, oh God. Oh no. Oh, the cranking just blasted. Oh no, that was this. Whoops. Okay, well, that was meant to come off. Okay. So I should know by just hearing the fuel pump kick on. Oh God. So we have fuel pressure. Ooh. Get a zip tie, because I don't think I have a hose clamp.